Okay. Good evening to one and all. Uh, Welcome to Technothon 1.0. So our team is Deep Vision. So our members are Dhawal, Raval, and Himanshu Salagre. Uh, Iman, so project name is codelabs. So as you can see on GitHub, we have open GitHub. This is our README name of college. The main goal of a project is to create the advancement of e-learning. The main problem that the education system is facing now is to provide a practical knowledge on e-learning. Solutions here. The Code Lab is a real-time interactive web-based lab made for the student and teacher. On the Code Lab, student can practice live programming and teachers can monitor them. It's very necessary in this era. Code Labs are following things: creating the room, joining the room, code editor, and real-time. In the creating the room, the admin, your teacher, can create a room with the secret lines and password. Join the room. Participant who have link and password can enter the room and complete the programming. Code editor, we have four types of code: C++, Java, and Python. Real-time access, admin can also watch the room and see that and check the code after the code has been run. So your client is ESG, Bootstrap, CBS, and JS, and servers are Node, MongoDB, and Socket.io. Your ports are the local host port, and your installation guides has been followed. Here are the steps for installation. Here the you can see here the screenshots of the our things. This is all over what this is all over the thing. Now we can see the fill. First we have to fill over the details. For example, as name of the class. Then we have to select a username. Then we can select, as you can see, for language we can select any one language over here. Then you can even select. Then we have to create a password. After getting the password, we can get a link over this. We'll get a link, so we can just copy paste that link on and switch to next step so that we can enter in the room. Now as you can see, the link has been pasted, the password has been set, so it can be easy to join the room. So as the Python is over here, a code on the left hand side, you can see there is a code editor. On the right hand side, there's an input and output. On the There is also a video call. We have two options: run and submit options over there. So after once we write the code, we can just click on the run. So now you can see the output has been on the right hand side of the screen. The admit link is the link where the admin can go. It's an admin panel where he can see the number of students who are active with their user ID numbers. Now again we have same joined the room. Now we will log in with a different student's name and now password. Uh, there is another code. It has been for a personal student. There will be a personal code editor, so they can just use the but the code language or the code editor would be selected by the teacher personally, so that if a teacher selects a Python, then all the students in that room will only work on Python. Now again, this you can see the code has been running over the left hand side in a code editor. The output has been received on right hand side. As I told you first about the active panel, admin panel, now you can see both the names of a student that admin can see easily on that thing. Again we have came to our room. Again we are joining with another number, another id of a student. Admit panel basically helps the teacher to see how many students are available who are online at a time and who are coding or who are just writing their code at a time. It would be very easier for the teacher to look on upon the student, and also the teacher can see the code what they have written and even you can pinpoint the mistake. Now you can see active members are there. Sunny. Now the teacher can even see what they have written. Teacher can monitor flexibly what they have written, or teacher can even tell them what are the mistakes over there. This platform help us to very easily to understand. So now we even submit the once the code is submitted, the teacher can see the code very easily. Or teacher can even switch the slide so that he can easily see who are there at present and what are the students actually coding over there. Now there is a report. In the report format where you can see there is Sunny, you can see the code written by the student. Okay, the teacher has an advantage of this advantage. The feature of teacher has advantage of this feature. Teacher can download the PDF automatically, so that what the student have written the code, it can be seen easily. Just you have to click on the report so that the teacher or the admin can just get the code in the PDF format. It can be, you can see what the teacher has written. So that in this way our thing has been done. So thank you for giving us opportunity to show our talents and build some new things for the people and for the public. Thank you for giving us opportunity. Thank you very much from the team Deep Vision.